replace the hidden dirt with mattress, we do not expect more for this amazing solution. Today's video will discuss amazing uses of baking soda. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. You may not want to admit it or simply do not think about this, but the mattresses are full of germs and dirt. I'll show you how to clean it in the easiest way possible. We are used only to change the bedsheet and wash them, and all our life we think this is enough. We think the mattress is clean because it was just dirty the bedsheet. However, after a long time, our mattress becomes a source of dirt. The particles of sweat, body fluid, dust and dirt pass through and end up on the mattress. It takes time for the mattress to dirty. Rare times some of us clean the mattress. How to clean a mattress? First, we clean with a vacuum cleaner and then sprinkle the mattress with baking soda. This simple but effective trick is to disinfect the mattress in the sleeper. Baking soda will kill bacteria, then vacuum to remove dust, and then you can spray the mattress a few drops of an essential oil to have a pleasant smell. Have you ever used baking soda in your bed? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.